Welcome back. Now, Bihar Minister for Excise Abdul Jalil Mastan finds himself in the eye of storm after a video went viral on Tuesday where he's seen abusing Prime Minister and calling him a dacoit. The perpetrated video dates back to 22nd of February when the minister and senior Congress leaders was addressing the Jan Vedna rally in his constituency Amar in Purnia district. The rally, which was convened to raise the issue of demonetization and its failure, saw the minister slamming Prime Minister for scrapping high denomination notes. While criticizing the Prime Minister, Mastan soon forgot the boundary of decency and said that Prime Minister was a dacoit, evoking huge round of applause from the gathering. Though the minister soon got swayed with the public support and said that the Prime Minister should be beaten with slippers. No sooner did the minister spoke about beating the Prime Minister with slippers that an enthusiastic supporter armed with a photo of Prime Minister got on the stage, started hitting the photo with slippers and shoes. The entire activity was caught on the camera. The video is going viral.
दोस्तों, हमारे वेदनाओं को, हमारे तकलीफों को, हमारे दिक्कतों को, हमारे समस्याओं को नोट की वजह से ये हल नहीं पाया। आज हम लोग एक सभा लगाए और इसकी जानकारी मोदी जी को दी है कि 22 तारीख को हमारे यहाँ एक वेदना सभा होने जा रहा है और आप हमारे दुखों को, तकलीफों को, हमारी वेदनाओं को आप सुनिए। तो हम लोग भेज दिया। वो प्रधानमंत्री नहीं है, अरे वो प्रधानमंत्री नहीं है, वो नक्सलाइट है, उग्रवाद है, एक डकैत है और लोगों को तरह तरह से सताने का एक वो क्या आला है।
Well, that's the stooping low of a Bihar minister who is called the Prime Minister dacoit and Naxalite, to say the least, while referring to demonetization during his rally. The supporters are getting incited as well and slamming the Prime Minister's photograph with the shoe, and this has prompted a sharp reaction. Take a listen.
50 दिन मांगे हैं, 50 दिन। 30 दिसंबर तक मुझे मौका दीजिए मेरे भाइयों बहनों। अगर 30 दिसंबर के बाद कोई मेरी कमी रह जाए, कोई मेरी गलती निकल जाए, कोई मेरा गलत इरादा निकल जाए, आप जिस चौराहे में मुझे खड़ा करेंगे, मैं खड़ा होकर के देश जो सजा करेगा वो सजा भुगतने के लिए तैयार हूं।
Well, that was Prime Minister promising when he announced the demonetization drive that there would be benefits of it, and now you have the Bihar Minister Abdul Jalil Mastan, who has slammed the Prime Minister over the demonetization decision. Interestingly, this entire statement coming at a time where already we've seen from the ministry the growth figures that have come out for the third quarter when the demonetization was announced, saying it's 7%. So economically, there has been a minimum impact of demonetization if one goes by the figures that's been released yesterday. But Bihar Minister kicking up a storm and calling the Prime Minister a dacoit, a Naxalite as well in this rally, getting carried away, inciting a crowd where the photograph of the Prime Minister was slammed by the supporters of the Bihar Minister with a shoe. My colleague Rohit Singh joining us on the story. Rohit, we've seen a sharp reaction from the BJP unit in the state as well. Sushil Modi had said that they will raise the matter in the Bihar Assembly.
Well, absolutely. The BJP at this point of time is agitating inside the assembly as they are not allowing the proceeding of the House to go on. They are sitting inside the assembly. They are shouting slogans against Abdul Jalil Mastan and demanding that Nitish Kumar should sack the minister from the government for the comments, unwarranted comments in fact, which he has made against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And also we are seeing that the Congress is also right now on the back foot, and State Congress President and Education Minister Ashok Chaudhary has also expressed his regret over the comments that has been made by his party colleague and the minister, and he says that the Congress did not believe in insulting anyone who is sitting on a constitutional post, and that is why he has also expressed regret for the comments of Abdul Jalil Mastan on behalf of Congress. The JDU is also hitting out at Mastan, asking him to tender an apology to the Prime Minister. So we are seeing that Mastan has been left completely isolated. even by his own party, and it seems that he has no option, but he will at some point of time express his regret or even tender
Absolutely,
apology
because
he
this,
has-
absolutely, Rohit, this is not the way that politics should be shaping up in our country. It's a fresh law of politics, humiliating the Prime Minister just to score political brownie points without any basis as well, Rohit. And as you're saying that the Congress has expressed regret, but what about the minister, the politician in question, Abdul Jalil Mastan? Any word coming from him after even the JDU, the alliance partner, has expressed regret over his statement?
Well, the minister in question here, Abdul Jalil Mastan, is still, in fact, he cannot be traced because he has not come to the assembly today. He is still tight-lipped. We have been calling him frantically since morning, but his mobile is switched off. But it appears because the manner in which he has been left completely isolated, as I told you, even by his own party, Mastan doesn't have much options left with him but to apologize for that he has made. But it is extremely certain today that stormy scenes which is already being witnessed, and further in the day more stormy scenes will be witnessed inside the house because the BJP is protesting about this issue extensively and massively inside the house, and they will not allow the house to function today. It is almost certain.
All right, so the minister missing for the moment, not accessible by the media. No apology coming from him, but his party clearly embarrassed. Alliance partner JDU also distancing themselves from this controversy. But the BJP is demanding a strict action against Abdul Jalil Mastan, who is the Excise and Prohibition Minister, for stooping to a fresh law, humiliating the Prime Minister at a public forum, for inciting a crowd, for scoring political brownie points over demonetization drive. Continue tracking the story, Rohit. Thanks for joining us.